حبك للشعب ودادا ليكن حبك للأرض بداد ليكن يومك للشعب ودادا ليكن حبك للأرض مداد قلم أنت فكم عبرت عنها وبنيت المجد أطوادا شداد أنت يا ملهم شعب أن يبروا عشتك.
Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. These are the picture of generation of computer. The first generation starts from 1940 to 1956. Second generation from 1956 to 1963. Third generation from 1963 to 1971. Fourth generation is 1971 to present. Fifth generation which is now under development. Salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Ashraf Rahim. I am studying 6th standard. Today I am explain about main parts of the computer. Monitor. It is an electronic output device used to display information. This is keyboard. It is an input device that is used to computer system by pressing button and keys. This is mouse. It is a small device that is used to point the desk on surface. This is CPU. It is the brain of the computer. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to our school science exhibition. My name is Salahuddin. I am studying in 7th standard A section. My topic name is communication on satellite. Satellite communication is the transfer of information from one place to another on a global scale. Satellite communication services are used to every day. For example, TV communication, TV and radio broadcaster, Wi-Fi and mobile broadband, GPS. Mobile broadcaster will send to signal on satellite. Satellite record signal and it designed Earth station on the ground. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Self Alamin. I am studying 8th standard. Today I will explain about how email works. The mail that is sent using the internet is called email, a method of exchanging the digital message among the people across the globe. The sender sends to sender email service provider, and that sends to destination address omitted from INS service, and that sends to receipt email service provider. Finally, that sends to receipt. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sharik Ahmed. I am studying 8th standard A section. Today I explain about flowchart. Flowchart is the graphical representation of the process. Start and stop refer to start or end the process. Input and output refer to input and output of process. Processing use arithmetic operation. Decision making store of is it's true or false. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am explain about artificial intelligence. AI is game can predict the winning strategy. Robotic biometric face recognition is the most advanced technology. Artificial intelligence AI making and today life smarter and more efficient. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today my topic is output device. This is a printer. It is used to print the document in transformation information to paper. This is a speaker. Connect to the computer to produce sound. This is a headphone. Listen the audio. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is K. Sayyid Atif. I am studying 5th standard A section. Today our topic is means of communication. We use pigeons with letter and letterbox. We use mobile phone, radio, telephone, books, letters, television, computer and newspapers instantly.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is J. Muzaib. I am studying 5th standard A section. My topic is flowchart. A flowchart is a diagram that shows the step-by-step process to complete a task. Elongated circle indicate the start and end of a flowchart. Parallelogram used to read data input or to show data output. Rectangle used to show the process that takes place. Diamond show the decision making step where the question is yes or no.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Abdul Rahman. I am studying 4th standard. Email is known as electronic mail. Sender who send the email. Sender's email is sent through the service provider. The sender service provider routes the email to his recipient service. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Irshad. I am studying 4th standard. My topic is means of communication. People communicate by speaking, writing, using sign language to each other. Radio waves carry music and news by hand. Laptop connects us by. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Akhtar Ali, 4th standard A section. My topic is keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts are that can used to make computers to think faster. Some keys are Ctrl plus A, all select, Ctrl plus B, bold, Ctrl plus C, copy, Ctrl plus D, font duplicate, Ctrl plus E, center, Ctrl plus F, find, Ctrl plus E, Ctrl plus E, center, Ctrl plus F, find, Ctrl plus G, go to Ctrl plus F. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I am telling about printers. Printers are machines that make copies of picture or words on paper. They work by putting ink onto paper in different patterns to create images or text. Some printers can also copy, scan and send documents over the internet. Printers can make colorful pictures or print black and white text. They are useful for many schools, offices, colleges and more. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I am tell about computer and its parts. Computer are electronic devices. It can store and display information. The CPU, central processing unit, is the brain of the computer. A keyboard is like a typewriter with buttons and keys. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am tell about input-output device. Input device set as communicated to the computer, while output devices show as what the computer has done. Example of input devices are keyboard, web camera, mouse, microphone, joystick and scanner. Example of output devices are monitor, headphone, speaker, printer, projector and flashlight. Thank you.
قلم أنت فكم عبرت عنها وبنيت المجد أطوادا شدا أنت يا ملهم شعب أن يبروا عشت كم حققت للشعب مراد أنت يا ملهم شعب أن يبروا عشت كم حققت للشعب مراد ليكن يومك للشعب ودادا ليكن ربك للأرض مداد قلم أنت فكم عبرت عنها وبنيت المجد أطوادا شدا